Understanding App Installation, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore a very common term in the digital world, app installation. This is a phrase you'll often encounter when using smartphones, tablets, or computers. Our goal is to ensure you understand what it means and how it's used in everyday language. So, let's dive in. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. App is short for application. In this context, it refers to a software program that you can download and use on your electronic devices, like smartphones or laptops. Apps can serve various purposes such as entertainment, education, or daily task management. The word installation in this context refers to the process of adding an app to your device. It involves downloading the app from a source, like the App Store or Google Play, and then setting it up on your device so that it's ready to use. Think of it like acquiring a new tool and putting it in your toolbox. App installation is usually a straightforward process. Once you find an app you want, you click Install or Download, and your device does the rest. It's important to have an internet connection, and sometimes you might need to agree to certain permissions for the app to function properly. In everyday conversations or instructions, you might hear phrases like, "Can you install the app on your phone? I need to update the app after installation. The installation is taking too long." Understanding these phrases will help you navigate technology more effectively. That's all for today's lesson on app installation. We hope this video has helped clarify what it means and how it's used in our digital lives. Remember, learning these tech terms is a step towards being more proficient in English, especially in today's tech-driven world. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.